Hey there, business owners! Today I'm diving into something that could be a game changer for your business CRM and PM tools. That's customer relationship management and project management for those who might not be familiar. Now, I get it. Investing in new software can seem like a hassle. Why fix what isn't broken, right? But here's the thing. Sticking to old methods can hold you back. Imagine having clearer control over your operations, smoother workflows, and happier team members. When I work with clients, I often find gaps in their workflows. Things that just don't make sense, operations that are clunky and inefficient. This is where CRM and PM tools come in. They're not just about having the latest tech or flashy features, it's about understanding how your business works and making it better. Implementing these tools the right way is crucial. It's not just about knowing the software, it's about knowing your business inside and out. How do things work now? How can they be easier for every team member? That's the mindset you need. Our system implementations work because we focus on operations. We're all about making things easier, more efficient. We don't just give you the tools, we help you understand how to use them to fill those gaps and improve your workflow. So, if you're on the fence about investing in CRM or PM tools, consider this your sign. Take the leap and watch your business transform. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on unlocking business success. Catch you in the next one.